Hiya. Hiya.
Bamboo boat.
Doesn't even look like bamboo. It looks like metal.
That looks different.
The speedboat's over there.
Go to number 4.
Woo. How much? How much? Two. Can I have two? Okay. Two. I only have a big. I only no 20.
$2.
Yeah, $2. I don't have $1. $2?
Okay.
Huh? Okay, thank you.
If you sit in the end, very fast and furious.
$2.
You want it?
I got an extra. Get one, Ma.
I don't care what color I am.
Dude. You want one?
This isn't the mate of the mess.
Dad.
Yes, what number the boat is?
27?
I sit next to driver.
Oh my God, another
Sit
sign!
next to driver.
Where's
That
this?
is mine. Thank you. 2 person, 1 seat. 2 person, 1 seat. Yes.
What?
Yes, exactly.
Huh? Mom, where are you going? Oh.
Maybe 2 over there.
Oh,
And the
you're
rest.
putting me right on the wet spot?
You want me to sit down?
Well, I'm gonna put this on then.
Here, I like to let you see a very famous island in Hạ Long Bay. Look at the island. It looks like a man's face. Man's face, right? Look like a man with a big nose.
It does.
I think he's not from Vietnam. I think he looks like from USA. We call Human Head Island, right?
See?
And what about a small cave? Look like butterfly. Small cave. Look like butterfly. It is in the front, right there. Yeah. That one look like butterfly. Right? The 2 wings. And what about the island look like turtle? Mr. Turtle. Turtle, the slow animal. Behind, right there. Yes, we call it Turtle Island. Turtle Island. He has a rocky shell, right? And a greeny shell as well. At the same place, we have a Human Head Island. The American one.
American one.
Butterfly Cave, the little one. And the Human Head, no, I'm sorry, the Turtle Island is behind us. We did already level 1 Fast and Furious. Now we do level 2. Okay. Later we'll see Whale Island. Look like a giant whale. Later, on the way. Okay. Now I hold tight. You hold tight too. Let's go.
Let me drive the boat. Let me drive the boat. Huh?
Okay. Everybody, here, this one looks like a whale, right? This looks like a big whale.
Oh yeah, the
We
big.
name the island following the shape of it. We call it Whale Island. Ta-da! Yes, surprise. So, very good. Yes. Welcome to Whale Island. Very big, right? Now we go to the cave. Chong Cave. Yeah, yeah.
Ooh, it's gonna be pretty.
Okay, Mr. Whale. Now we go to the
You okay?
Yeah.
Nobody missing yet.
Woohoo!
Very good, ladies and gentlemen. We have a cave over there. The cave name Chong. The local name of it, Chong Cave. How to spell it? We name it T-R-O-N-G, Chong Cave. A very famous cave in Hạ Long Bay. You know, especially about 10 years ago when we still organize for tourist special event in the cave. Who like to have a cave dinner in there with 1,000 candles for the super dinner, and they set up a barbecue dinner. Not for 1 or 2 tourists, for 100 or 200. Tourists who stay overnight in Hạ Long Bay, like this boat over there, they stay here 3 days and 2 nights. Sometimes they gave us the special order, let's do a cave dining. So we sent a team, came and set up the cave. It took us half day, and it was very special dinner in the cave. Sometimes with live music band too. Very unique, right? But about 10 years ago, they allow no more dining in the cave because we burn too much in there. It's not good for the stalactites. The stalactite over there, not good for the natural. So they allow no more cave dining. Now even if you have money, you still cannot do the cave dining in Hạ Long Bay. Now this cave only open for watching, right? The size of the cave, it is big, but it is still smaller than Surprising Cave. Surprising Cave, later we go by walk. Later, Surprising Cave. So this cave and this area usually overnight boat, like 3 days and 2 nights, go this far away because day boat only go to the center area. This is the beyond the center area. And okay, we did already level 2. Now we go level 3. Level 3, the boat like this. Okay. So you look ready. We go through the sky gate. Sky gate. Later we go and see the dragon cave.
Orange.
Oh la la,
Baby.
mamma mia. Cave over there, right?
Oh.
We named the cave, Dragon Cave. If you still remember the name of Hạ Long Bay, right? Hạ Long, it means descending dragon. So where the dragon descend can be there. We call Dragon Cave. Sometimes when tourists are lucky, they see the hiding dragon. Sometimes on the boat after happy hour, tourists drink 3 bottles of beers, then see dragon everywhere. Maybe from there. Maybe later you see dragon after happy hour. So Hạ Long Bay, we have 1,969 limestone islands. We saw many already. Next we see Special Island. Okay, next we're going to see there will be a small rock look like lotus flower. It will look like lotus flower. We'll see it soon. But this one is Dragon Cave. Hạ Long Bay, descending Dragon Bay. And this one, baby, later we'll see dragon. Now we will see lotus flower, the rock. Okay. Okay, on this side, you see the rock that look like a lotus flower. This one. Yes, the it look like this. Look like lotus flower. This one. And what about the big one? This very big island. The big island here we name it horse saddle. When you ride a horse, you need to put a saddle on it. The seat, horse seat or horse saddle island. Following the shape of the island. You see some already fly away the sea eagle. This area we have sea eagle too in the sky. And this area we call it horse saddle island. And this one is also very famous in Hạ Long Bay too. If you search horse saddle island or horse seat island, this is the one. In Vietnamese we call it Yên Ngựa mountain. This one. So the next level we go level 4. Level 4. The boat. So level 4, really? All my kids. Level 4. We go to USA by boat.
USA
Go
by
to Korea by boat. We go to Japan by boat.
Yeah.
Go to Korea by boat. Go to India by boat. Go to Holland. Yeah. Let's go. Holland.
Whoa. Swimming.
That was good.
I
Yeah.
like your new hairstyle. Your hair look
New
now
hairstyle.
same. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back from the very fast and furious. Today very good. Nobody. Yeah. Okay. And I hope you have fun taking a picture, taking video. I have your picture and video too. I might share to you on the boat. Okay. Getting back here also. Thank you, our good driver. Fast and furious, but nobody even get wet today. I can do something. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we return the live check-in over there, and then the next stop by the big boat we go Surprising Cave. Next stop by big boat we go Surprising Cave. Make sure you forget nothing on the boat. Check your bag, your phone, your wallet, your money, your honey,
Your money, honey. Hey, don't forget me.
Oh yeah.
Limousine.
Thank
VIP
you.
luxury.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, you are champion.
Yeah, you did it.